Okay, remember what I said about units and how annoying units are for physics 2. Remember the permittivity constant, 8.85 times 10 to the minus 12th coulomb squared per Newton meter squared. That's how we've been using this now and then. Okay, well, let's look at those units. Coulomb squared per Newton meter squared. Well, a Newton times a meter is a joule. So this is Coulomb squared divided by joule meter. But a joule over a coulomb is a volt. So this is a coulomb over a volt meter. But we said that a farad is a coulomb per volt. So this is a farad per meter. So we can also write the permittivity constant here is 8.85 times 10 to the minus 12 farads per meter. And so those two are equivalent things. Okay, so in some books, you'll see it, the permittivity of free space, you'll see that this way as we've been using it up to this point. I will point out in your textbook, they change units to that. In fact, they sometimes go one step further even, and so 10 to the minus 12 is a pico, so they sometimes will even write this in some books as 8.85 picofarads per meter. So that's another way you sometimes see the constant written. Once again, when I was a student, I had to keep track of all these units. I ended up having a piece of paper I just kept stuck into the back of the textbook just to keep track of all the different kinds of units.